Hey guys, this is Brandon at the Edge Pro, and I'm going to talk about a question today that I get pretty often. Sometimes we're working on something, whether it has to be with clippers or not, and you get to the end and you have the dreaded find of extra parts. Where do they go, and do we need them, or do we just kind of throw them away, or what do we do with these extra parts? And a common extra part that we run into is on the AGR or BGR Clippers. And the little extra part is a tiny little piece of metal. Kind of looks like a little top hat or a T if you hold it that way. And what happens is it's just sitting in this clipper, and so you take it out to do some routine maintenance and don't notice it until it's put back up, and you get everything put back together, and there it is sitting on the table. So what we're going to do is talk about where that goes and why we do need it and what its function is.
Yep.
Alrighty, so where this goes is it lays right in there like that. What happens is being a flat piece of metal in the round housing, it creates a spring effect. And that spring effect is actually going to help be what holds the battery or the cord pack into the clipper. So we would set our motor down next in there. And then this is the actual clip that holds the battery or cord pack in, and it sits in that slot right on top of that spring. And because of that spring being there, I have a springing action to that. So then when we go to put our top housing back on, line up the grooves here. Now we have that springing action. If we choose to not put that back in, or if we lost it or something like that, you'd be susceptible to have your battery fall out or have the cord pack fall out, just because it wouldn't have that extra tension to hold it on there. So I hope this video has been helpful for you. I get this question a lot, and I know it can be frustrating having extra parts and not knowing what to do, where to go with them. And this clipper is kind of on its way being phased out from Andis, but I know there's a lot of them still out there, and I think it was still relevant for us to take a minute to do this video. So if this has been helpful, please hit the thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave us a comment, and of course we appreciate it if you subscribe and get to see more content like this. Thanks.